king, you know it. King already, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. My body so on a king body. Body gon' shine, bling, bling body. Calling all the shots, ring body. Crown on your head, got a king body. Only with king, you know it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Berlin. Happy New Year's, everyone. This is my very first video for the new year. I took about 2 weeks just to spend time with family. I had family over here from Miami. So I am back with some videos for you guys. And on this video today, I am creating this cute little high ponytail lock style that I wore for my birthday, which was on December 15th. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is part a bang, and you want to make sure that the bang is even on both sides. And once we get to that part, you'll see why it's important that the bangs are even on both sides. So I do use a pipe cleaner to put my ponytail because my hair is so long that it's really hard for me to put my hair up in a ponytail with like a regular scrunchie. So I use a pipe cleaner. Okay, so now it's part for the bang. So what you want to do, you want to take the hair, like I mentioned earlier, you want to make sure that it's even on both sides, and you're going to crisscross. Let me demonstrate that again for you guys. So once you crisscross, you're going to bring it underneath the ponytail and you're going to tie it. It doesn't have to be tight. So I am all done. Isn't this ponytail so cute, guys? I know I was really feeling myself on this video. Oh my gosh, like I really love this style. It has become one of my favorite go-to style. Quick, easy, and just the way I like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share.